The Bulls put their toe in it. This is Market Action News, and I'm Marshall Moore, March 5th, 2015. Here's what happened on Wall Street after a couple of days to the downside. Stocks traded mostly higher, but not a lot of energy behind it. And we'll get to the reasons why in just a moment. Let's go down the list. And the Dow up almost 39 points. The NASDAQ was up 15.67 at 4982.81, struggling to make its way back to that 5,000 mark from earlier in the week. The transports down 13.66 to close at 9,003. The Russell was up 3 3/4 for the small caps. The Russell 2012 34. The utilities on the upside, the interest rate sensitive sector up 4.23 to close at 588.33. And the S&P up 2.5 points at 2101.04. All of this ahead of the jobs report that we'll have ahead of the bell tomorrow. And first-time claims for unemployment insurance, they were out today, and they were up 7,000 to 320,000, and that was a bit of a surprise. The consensus was that we would go back below the 300,000 level. The ECB was the big story, kind of prompting the trading profile of the day. The European Central Bank announcing its plans for QE, its bond buying program, and that will start next week and go into September 2016. That propped up the European markets, and that also helped start the positive trading on Wall Street today. And checking oil on the session, down 77 cents on the active contract. That's off 1.5% at $50.76 at the close. And at the bell, down 65 cents at $50.88 a barrel. That's off 1.25%. Gold down 470, losing the $1,200 ounce mark, and that's a low for 2 months at $11.9620, and at the bell still off $3 at $11.98. The Dow Jones Industrials make it up 38.82, making up for some lost time at 18,135.72. Don't never unless you will. Remember, those who do and those who don't do everything everybody else does. More later.